Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Revolut user, you might have hidden your balance for privacy reasons, but now you need it back. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to unhide your balance on Revolut for 2025. It's a straightforward process that takes less than a minute, perfect for keeping your finances in check without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your device. This is crucial because Revolut updates its features regularly, and we're focusing on the 2025 interface. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard where your accounts are displayed. Now, look for the account you want to unhide the balance for. You'll notice that if it's hidden, there might be a small eye icon or a hidden label next to it. Tap on that account to open its details. In the account overview, scroll down or look for a settings gear icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the account settings menu. In the settings, find the visibility or privacy section. This is where Revolut lets you control what shows up on your screen. Look for an option that says something like hide balance or show balance. It might be a toggle switch. Simply switch it off if it's on, or tap to enable showing the balance. Confirm any prompts that pop up, and voila! Your balance should now be visible. If you're having trouble, double-check that you're using the correct account and that there are no app glitches. Sometimes, restarting the app or updating it helps. And remember, hiding your balance is a great security feature, so use it wisely. There you have it, folks. You've successfully unhidden your balance on Revolut. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.